Hey friends, happy Wednesday. Welcome back to math. I'm excited to continue talking about lines of symmetry and symmetrical figures and shapes with you today. We had a lot of fun yesterday, and I'll tell you what, guys, you did a really good job. Today, you're going to be going on a hunt. You are going to be going on a hunt around your house for symmetrical figures, and this is what I want you to do before we get started. I would like for you to go around your house and find 5 shapes that have a line of symmetry. They could be outside, like leaves. They could be inside, like pieces of paper, oven mitts, the square ones. Okay, I want you to go find 5 shapes around your house with lines of symmetry that are symmetrical, and then I want you to upload those photos to Seesaw. Okay, I'm going to be keeping an eye out for those today. Go ahead and upload those for me. Pause the video and go on your symmetry hunt. Excellent job today, guys. Our video lesson is going to be a little bit shorter today because you went on a scavenger hunt. Now this Friday, we're going to do a test over shapes. I know, it seems like these chapters are going by so fast, but it's because you guys are so good. I want you guys to open up your textbook, your 3B textbook, to 336, and it's going to be a page just like this, okay? All right. So we have 6 figures here. We have a man, like on a men's restroom sign, a woman, like on a women's restroom sign, looks like a swirl or a cord that is coiled up, a fork. Ooh, that would have been a good object to find. Did you guys find a fork for your symmetry hunt this morning? And then an arrow that looks like a U-turn sign. And then you have a rectangle with an arrow coming out of it. Maybe a symbol that's showing somebody to open a box. I don't know. What I want you to do is I want you to look at those shapes, and on your whiteboard, I want you to write the shapes or the figures that are symmetrical. Go ahead and do that. Pause the video. Okay, you should have said A. Now A, I'm going to do my best to draw this man here. A has a line of symmetry. I know that wasn't the best. Right here, okay? So we, as humans, are symmetrical. So that being said, you should have said B as well for the woman. Okay, there's 2 more that have symmetry. Did you figure them out? I gave you a little bit of a hint a minute ago. A fork. Ooh, man, this is why Miss Cantrell is not an artist and she's a teacher. All right, so you have your fork. So your line of symmetry is right here on your fork. And then the last figure, so you should have said D, your last figure that you should have said was F. So you have your box, and then you have your arrow, and your line of symmetry is right down the middle. So you should have said A, B, D, and F. Give me a thumbs up if you got that. Great job. Go ahead and turn the page to 337. Let's look at this together. We have a photo here. Rita drew this picture using the drawing tools on her computer. So what I want you guys to do is to look at that pretty picture of the house, the flower, the sun, the clouds, and the boy and the girl. And I want you to name all of the symmetrical figures that are in that picture on your whiteboard for me now. Pause the video. Okay. You should have said the sun. It's symmetrical right down the middle. The flower, which also has a line of symmetry right down the middle. The boy and girl, we just learned that humans are symmetrical, so right down the middle. And then also you should have said the cloud. And that also has a line of symmetry right down the middle. Now, don't forget though, just because all of these have a line of symmetry right down the middle, Shapes don't have to have a line of symmetry down the middle. Like remember the letter D? This is symmetrical if the line of symmetry is this way, right? So that's from side to side. Just keep that in mind. Okay, I would like for you to get your whiteboard, and I would like for you to draw a picture of your own. Oh, you could even do this with crayons and markers on a piece of paper and then upload it to Seesaw. Perfect idea. Okay, go ahead and do that. I want you to draw a picture using crayons, markers, colored pencils, whatever you want to do. And I want you to have at least 5 symmetrical figures in them. I'd like for you to pause the video and then I'm going to show you my drawing. Excellent. Okay, guys, you did a great job. Don't forget to upload that photo to Seesaw. I'm going to be looking for it today. Here's my picture. I am going to do a dog up close, making sure that he is symmetrical the best that I can. Okay? And he has a line of symmetry right down the middle. All right, here's another object that I'm thinking of. What about a star? Are stars symmetrical? Yeah, they are. Okay, guys, what I would like for you to do is write down in your journal, on your whiteboard, any objects that are right next to you that are symmetrical. Is this marker symmetrical? Yeah, it has a line of symmetry right down the middle. So I would write that in my journal. Okay, go ahead and do that for me, guys. You guys have done an awesome job today. I'd like for you to end today with a little bit of a thinking cap, okay? So open up your workbook to page 210, and I just want you to give this a try. It is okay if you have a hard time on this page. It's a critical thinking page. This will not be on your test on Friday, okay? I just want you to try it. Pause the video. Okay, so here's what you should have gotten for page 210. Did you get it? If not, it's okay. I just wanted you to practice. Great job today, guys, with lines of symmetry. I'll see you tomorrow for our review for Friday.